Guys, don't forget that today and tomorrow are the last days for the HP Tuners MPVI 2 giveaway. We also have a couple other things that we are giving away. Check out our Instagram as well. Guys, also check out Liam the Little Savage. That is my son's channel, and he did something pretty awful to my BMW, but it was pretty fun. So check it out in the link below. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Well, guys, we're back with Uncle Sam, and last episode we tried to do a big nasty burnout. A little disappointing, broken axle. Got little pieces of it here. We're gonna lift them up and see what the carnage is underneath, and we gotta try and get this fixed today.
Well, the other side's supposed to move also. So these hot spots were a big red flag when we put it in.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, it fell in my bucket.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Oh, sorry.
Jeremy.
These things are heavy too.
Yeah. It's 5.
So those spots were on that when we got it?
Yes. Yeah. Pull this. Take that. Take it all.
It just came apart, really.
Yeah, I mean, it probably just was too much, and it worked their way out. And
I mean, the ball should fit in there, but like right there, that did hit, you know, and that's little. Does that normally have the dimples for the balls there? Yeah, I don't think so because that's not even
uniform.
Yeah, it's not.
Right, I think it's just from smacking around on that.
So I want to take this to the guys that built the Driveshaft and
See if
they can make something a little bit stronger out of it, since we can't really get a one
Perhaps.
blade. Let's run down Dependable and see what they say.
You gotta run though, you can't drive.
Well, Az, you are looking pretty good for having sprinted quite a few blocks.
Pump
And
my Air Jordans.
oh, dang, man. Those are the Air Jordans without the pumps, right? That's pretty. Bluetooth? Oh, Pat, that's sick, dude. Well, look what they did in a very short amount of time. They've remedied our destruction. So, worst case, you were saying, if we do this again, we can have the other one
Extended, but hopefully we have something to work with. Tear up any of the splines inside here.
Yeah.
So this was the second passenger side shaft that we had in the car originally that wouldn't quite fit.
All right, guys, well, let's get this thing back in there so that we can go ahead and finish up what we were planning on doing.
Do you weigh these, Jeremy?
I didn't, but I'm
Weigh
sure
all your
they're
wheel
heavy.
and tire packages.
I know. I usually do. Boy, look at them Steelies. I like that corner sidewall with the plug in it right there. We got one on that side, and Laz says it's good to 110 at least. So, guys, we got these from a local friend, John Alicia. Hooked us up with a whole bunch of takeoffs, and we're willing to risk it for the biscuit.
Close course only, right?
Yeah, professional driver, close course, trained professional.
They look good on the Steelies though.
Yeah, man.
Pros.
Dude, I love the Steelies. Well, let's get in there and let's make something happen. All right, so guys, I wanted to say thank you so much. We had a couple people send some stuff in. This is a gentleman named Victor. He actually helped us out a lot. We did the manual automatic debacle swap, so he helped out a whole lot. So Victor, thank you very much. All right, so we got our pedal here, and we're gonna grind down the pedal a little bit, and this guy is gonna fit. It's gonna look perfect. Jeff actually sent this in, and this is pretty darn sweet, man. We've got the Pursuit, and I think we're gonna end up putting this guy right near where we got our 427, or should we put it next over there?
No, I think on the other side.
That's obviously fake.
Love it, man. Well, thank you very much. Guys, let's see if we can get this big old pig to slide.
Oh, dude, this is gonna be sick. No seatbelt. Heck yeah.
No, don't do that.
Oh, there's a middle seatbelt. What am I doing?
Well, this is going to be a lot of fun. I have no idea how this thing's going to do. I've got a hunch, though, that we're not going to have enough steering angles, so I'm going to throw it out here right now. I think we're going to spin out at least twice. Probably going to happen, but but it's going to be a hell of a lot of fun. So let's do this. Something definitely hit there. It's a big girl.
Hey, he was whipping on that one.
Oh God! Wrong button. She rolls, man. And when she whips the other way, it's definitely a different animal.
So much body roll.
Yeah, it's got a lot, man. That's pretty good though.
There's no rear sway bar.
No, that's
No front sway bar.
Locked in.
No, yeah, that's right.
There's no sway bars on this thing.
Third actually shouldn't be so
Needs a
bad.
little wheel speed, I think.
Well,
Dude, you were whipping it, dude.
almost had it, almost had it.
That was sick.
Get in there, get in there.
Little transition down there, boy.
That's just like, that's where we're out. That's where we're out. That's where I'd be able to save it from just about anything else.
I ain't scared, dude.
All right.
Send it. Honestly, that tires ain't gonna last too long.
No, not at all.
Ooh, listen to that, baby.
I want to try and do it on this next one.
Hard park, son.
Can't get it, man.
How long you been practicing that?
None.
That's torque gear. You're right there.
Yeah, that was that. Oh, dude, I think our tires come apart. Our tires definitely come apart all here. Oh, man.
Dude, it is melting the tires.
Yeah, the power steering gets a little heavy really fast. I wonder if we get air in it or something. Dude, is this from the methanol? It's gotta be what that's
Yeah,
from.
look, it starts right there.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Yeah, look at the condensation from the methanol. It's crazy.
You ought to see it. It fucking puts a flame out the exhaust. You know, when you're just feathering around the deal.
Pit stop.
Fixed up.
Hey, if you got a key on you, let's purge some air out of the thing.
Oh, out of that tire? Okay, I got it.
She's a little swole. If you guys ever get yourself in this kind of predicament, you might want to take a little bit of air pressure out.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah. Well, it is definitely raining at the moment. Our pit stop was close.
Got the tires changed though.
We got no, can really go for some rain X right about now.
Oh, we got no wipers. Oh shoot. Alright. Huh. Guess I forgot to put a screw in that or something. Oh, this is sketchy not being able to see, I'm not gonna lie.
Well, you can never really tell where the grip is. I literally, it's hard to see.
You gotta give it some throttle to spin these
Yeah.
tires. Oh,
Oh, look at that.
alright, a little less than that.
Whoa, definitely hydroplaning there. That was fun. We're gonna end it on that. We got nothing left, man. That is sick, though.
That was so sick.
Guys, we are coming to you from Showtime Speedway, right next to the shop, and it is very windy, so I'm going to apologize for the wind. It is definitely, if George had some long hair, it would be blowing like a nice hole in the breeze. Yeah.
Mine might be hitting the camera.
But guys, it's actually a little, I mean, look, it's not as good DA as you thought, but it's pretty freaking cool, man. Well, we're here with Uncle Sam, and let's see what this guy can do, man. We're going to put the Axle Breaker 9000 to the test.
Got some fresh tires on there.
Yeah, we got some big old meats on there. So guys, this is just our break-in kind of shakedown test that we can do with Uncle Sam. We're gonna try and work out any of the bugs. If we went all the way down to Bradenton and broke something, it's a little different than being 2 blocks away from the shop. So we're here, and we're gonna try and work out some bugs.
We have broken here before.
We did a quick little shoe change there on Uncle Sam. Got our big old meats that we used to have on there. Now those worked really good with our automatic and our setup from before, but it's gonna be a little different with this gear ratio for the Z01. Guys, it has been a minute since I've driven a similar car to this at the track, but doesn't have me scared. It's procedural stuff. So trying to remember how I launched it, did all the other stuff that I'm used to doing on that particular car. I did have a CTSV that was very similar, but it making about 300 less horsepower. You can't hit a home run every time. We're gonna do the best we can. Something's funny with the burnout there. I don't know what's going on there. We're literally just gonna test the launch, and that was not at all ideal. And just broke an axle. We got to figure out whatever the heck we got going on with this axle, man. It was a quick fix, but we thought it was going to be stronger than that. That is obviously not going to cut it. Well, we definitely broke an axle, and that happened way too fast. And I didn't even get a chance to really launch it where I needed to.
Did it happen during the burnout, though?
No, it was okay, and then it just, as soon as I tried to give it some bite, and I mean, I was launching it not anywhere near what I thought. I mean, from my recollection of some other stuff like ZR1s and other CTSVs and things that I've driven, 5,400 RPM is a really nice sweet spot. I know that this is a ton more torque than what some of those have had, but that would be a good spot to launch. And just, I think 4,400. And I was just like gonna try it and see how it was, trying to just baby it, and it won't take it. When I went to do a burnout, it didn't let me rev, which was really, really weird. I mean, we definitely need a line lock. There's no doubt about it.
Hey, you want to go break the Escalade?
No, I don't. I don't want to break it.
It's on street tires. It's fine.
All right, so, well, we had broken the axle, and I was able to take it all the way. I didn't ever stop.
All the way back to the turn road.
I stopped right there, and then I parked over here. And now we're going to leave, and
not going anywhere.
We're not going anywhere. So, George, I'm gonna try and push it. You drive.
We're gonna have to push it. Let's see what's going on here.
All right, hold on.
There we go. Got a little. All right, come on, buddy! Yeah!
All right. Keep her going, keep her going.
I'm just gonna leave her exactly how she's doing.
As long as it's moving, it's okay. It's moving barely.
So it's got a little clutch. We got the clutch diff going on.
Yeah, because when I was moving it, I was like, I'm just gonna stay here and
little first gear rumble on back to the house.
Oh, you can hear it.
Oh!
Here, I'll push it. Push it. All right, needless to say, we've got a little bit of a rubbing issue there. Look at that, man.
Dang.
Well, Laz, you didn't miss anything.
Rack it up, kids. Let's see what the damage is. First thing in the morning. You can have it fixed first thing in the morning.
Oh, they didn't swap both sides?
No, I only swap the inner.
Oh, so that's Amazon right there?
Yeah, that's Amazon parts.
Oh, man. That makes sense.
So the inside slung some grease.
Yeah. No, it's, you know what's weird though is that I wonder if we got something going on with the diff though, like because we can't take off.
You completely let out of the clutch and it didn't do anything.
It doesn't go anywhere.
of it's transferring all the power to this side.
Well, hopefully be ready to go at the end of the day. We'll see. We're going to fix it, get back to it. So tomorrow morning, we're going to hit up Dependable Driveshaft, get another one coming. I wanted to give a major thank you to my wife for sticking it out in the rain, getting some cool shots.
Tire changing in the rain.
Yeah.
You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, man.
Guys, that was awesome. That was awesome. I almost forgot a huge thank you to Showtime Speedway for letting us borrow their facility, being able to just tear it up and do all sorts of stuff. Guys over there, they really do a good job. We're going to set up something sometime, go over there, and maybe even a little drift thing. I don't know if it's going to be.
I like the sound of that, man. I'm going to invite all my friends.
Yeah.
You can come, buddy.
Nice.
Guys, don't forget to check out the Fasterproms store. Help us out. We appreciate it so much. Look at this shirt. I mean, look at this shirt. You guys help yourselves with some of these shirts, some of these keychains, some of these hats, and we can soup up Uncle Sam.
Amazing. Guys, that was a blast. Thank you so much for coming along with us. God bless you. We'll see you next episode.